All right, Rat Salad, Black Sabbath from the Paranoid album. So our first thing is we bring in the 3rd fret of the G string and we volume swell it in, and then the drummer hits a little bit and you go. So we have a hammer on the 3 to 5 on the D string, back to the 3, quick hammer 3 to 5 on the A, so give a little vibrato on that one. Big 3, the G note there, and then we do it again, swell, and then no, in this one we're going to go way up, kind of aim for that 15th fret, kind of the root note, the octave of that G there, and then we're going to come in with a new riff. So this is the G minor pentatonic with flat 5th scale. So you got 3, 6, 3 on the A string. Hit the 3 again, hammer on, pull off to the 4. That's your flat 5th right there. Come down to the 6. So we're going to repeat that motion of the 6 and the 3, 4, 3, 6, 3, 4, 3. So 6, 6, 3. So when it's quick, it's. Okay, so nice and slow, it's. And you can hammer that or you can pick them. It's kind of quicker to hammer it. And then just do that twice. Okay, then we got a new riff. We got. So that's 3, 6 on the E, 3, 4. Hammer on, pull off again. 6, 3. Try that together. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then the next part is going to go. So that's walking right up that scale. So we got 3, 6, 3, 4, 5, 3 on the D. We got 5 here. So we got to the 3 on the G. 5 to 7. So we got. And then you kind of hit that one again and slide up. I kind of switched to the 10th fret here to get the. So we got. So you got a 10 and 12. It's kind of a wild vibrato. And you kind of have a 12 up to the 17 up here. A little 15, so 17 on the G. 15 on the E, and then you got a few bends on that unison bend. 15 on the E, 18 on the B. And then the solo starts. So let's look it over everything that we have so far. We got. Almost got it. All right, then we get into the guitar solo. It's going to come out of that. Okay, so the guitar solo is going to go 3 to 2 on the G string. And then you got 2, 3 to 5. Then you got a quick one, 2, 3, 2 to the 3. And then you got 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2. So you got to check out the tab on these. And then after you do that, you go. So I just do kind of a hammer on that 3 to 5 on that one myself. I go. And then I hit the next one, 2, 3, 2. And then you got a 2, 3. So you got. Okay, so you got. It kind of starts out with a ba-dee-da-doo, but then you get into a da-dee-da-doo, da-dee-da-doo, da-dee-da-doo. Last one is 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. And you have a quick 2, 3, 2. And then. So that was 2 little sets of 16th notes. 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 2. And then you go 3, 5, 2, 5, 2, 5, and then quick one there. So let's look at everything we got. So this phrase with the 3, 5 is going to end up being bum, bum. So we got a 3, 2, 5, 2, 3. Then we got a 2, 3, 5, 5 to 7. 5, 3, 3, 2. This is 2, 3, 2, oh, 2, 3, 2. 2, 3, 5, 2. So you got this little half step in. 3 to 5 up in there. So once again, we got. Okay, now I'll try it up to speed a little bit. We'll come in from that. And then you're back with. And again. Walk up. Okay, and then you have a drum solo, and then you just have that same riff again, and the song is over. So that's all of it. That's Rat Salad by Black Sabbath from Paranoid. I think by the end of the next couple months, I'm going to end up having done every song off a Paranoid album. So, great album. So, Black Sabbath, right on. Rest in peace, Ozzy. Hope you all dig this. I'll have some tabs to go with this. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon.